It's Captain Matt here. Just want to talk to you a little bit more about maintenance and why, when we offer maintenance at least once a year, to give you an example of why that's important and why the guy doing your lighting, you want them to be offering you this maintenance at least once a year. For example, two perfect examples. So like we have a light in the ground here, right? And we got these bushes here that grow. Well, branches are gonna grow over top of the light, and then like this one right now is being hot spotted, right? So when we first put it in, we do the final walkthrough, everything looks great. There's no hot spots, but then all of a sudden, a year or two down the road, the bush grows and it needs to be trimmed. So we'll come in here, we'll trim this back just a little bit, and it'll still hit this evergreen tree, which is the whole point of that light. Woo, it's windy. And then here's another in-ground light. You see it has all this dirt on and everything. So, this isn't really affecting it right now, but over the course of a few years, if they're not cleaned at all, it's going to just cover this. It's going to really diminish the light output. And you don't want that. You always want your property looking great like you when you first got your install done. Anyways, just wanted to show you a few of those quick things about maintenance. Talk to you guys later.